Well guys, you're seeing that right. Danny here from life.atv. I just picked up a RZR, man. But we'll get into the details out at Cody's. I'm gonna go show the boys the new toy, Polaris RZR 900. Look at all these cats in this thing. Get the hell out of here. Cody, what do you think, man?
We figured you were gonna buy one after your freaking father-in-law got one.
Okay guys, little backstory. This was not planned like all my purchases. I went with my father-in-law yesterday and bought a brand new 2019 leftover Polaris RZR 900. So I'll cue the clips right now of going to get it with him. Here we go. 2 miles on it. 2 miles.
Safety first.
Yep. Wow, man. But anyway, what do you think? Old man, what do you think? Come on, old man.
That looks pretty good. Looks pretty nice.
She drives exactly the same as Lukey's.
Good.
She kind of looks the same too, doesn't she?
A little bit of sticker difference, but
Yeah. It's not as flashy, but that's okay. This one's broken in and everything.
how many miles does this one have on it?
1,900 miles. He's got aftermarket wheels and tires and everything.
It looks good.
He's got road tires on it. Came with a winch.
That'll be nice for making videos with.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah.
Like I said, it was a fun drive over here. It's pretty filthy right now, but I don't care. Okay.
How fast did you have it?
It feels pretty good in the 40-50 range. It will go a lot faster, but that's where it kind of feels most comfortable to me. See, it came with this nice bag and everything too.
Cool, man.
All right, boys, it's the next day from the clips you just saw. We didn't really take the RZR out on any trails or anything because
Pretty cold that day.
it was pretty shitty out, but now it's not too bad out. It's windy, but we're gonna take it for the first time on the trails.
Take it for a spin.
And we're also gonna get Code's first time driving it too on camera.
Yeah. Not those ones that we rode in the Black Hills that time. They
No.
must have had some like a restrictor or something on it. I'm sure.
Yeah, guys, I've had this thing for about a couple days now, and I love it. So I'm really excited to see what trails it actually fits on out here at the Lau compound.
Yep.
But anyway, if you guys missed it, 2015 Polaris RZR 900. I'm always honest with you guys for how much I paid on stuff. I paid $7,500 for this machine right here. It has 1,900 miles, and I think it's a good deal. My wife really pushed me to get it. So yeah, it's gonna be around a long time, guys, but don't worry. We're still hot on the Save Sport Quad movement.
That's true. I've been reading your guys' comments about some quads. I've been looking, but nothing's set in stone yet. So.
Well, anyway, guys, still keep commenting. What do you want Cody to get? Because honestly,
I'm reading the comments like crazy. There are a lot of LTR comments. I'm pretty surprised about that, to be honest.
Yeah, Cody didn't even consider a Suzuki, but you know, you guys keep commenting, keep saying what you want on the channel, and he might listen to you.
You might.
All right, guys, let's get on this RZR.
Get on it.
I think Cody's gonna be doing a little filming on the nice camera, and we'll go promo it.
Okay.
Woohoo! Listen to that purr. Let's go hit up Sketchy. street tires on it, so it's a little slick. Gotta send it right here. Cold stern. Coach driving a Polaris. Oh damn! Oh sick. Turns pretty good too. Cole, what's your thoughts, buddy?
That's a lot of fun. That's the nicest Polaris I've drove in a long time.
It's pretty sketchy coming from four-wheelers driving it on our trails.
It's a completely different ride, but you would kind of expect that though, you know what I mean? It's sort of it's a steering wheel for God's sake instead of handlebars, so.
But guys, that will do it for today's video. Be on the lookout for more content, guys. Like I said, we're gonna make a lot of videos with this Polaris RZR 900. But don't forget, we still got all our sport quads.
We're still quad hunting yet too, so.
Yep, and we got some guys coming to ride this Saturday, so be on the lookout for the vid after this. See some new machines on the channel, right, dude?
That's right.
But other than that, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Later.